If your skin is oily and acne prone and you are looking for sunscreen options for your skin type, I got you covered here. So hey everyone, welcome to another one of my video. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Ankita Damecha, homeopathic consultant and a cosmetologist. I do make videos on skin and hair care routine, different kind of the skin and hair concerns, available treatments in the homeopathy and clinic based cosmetic treatments. And in today's video, I will be suggesting few of the good sunscreen options for your skin type, especially when your skin is oily and acne prone. All the sunscreen options out there available in the market, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to buy, which will suit your skin type, because the main reason people with oily and acne prone skin type avoid using sunscreen is that they may feel that sunscreen, or they may have experience also that applying sunscreen make their skin more oily or greasy, or maybe they have not find the product or sunscreen with the right consistency and the texture. So the key is to find the product which will not add the oil to your skin and which will not cause the breakout. For that reason, there are few points you should keep in the mind before buying sunscreen if your skin is oily and acne prone. So first of all, you should avoid using sunscreen which has thick and creamy consistency. Rather go for the lightweight and water or gel based sunscreen, which should be the non-comedogenic. I mean, it does not clog the pores. It should be oil free with the matte finish or the matte formulations, which will absorb the excess oil that you will never have to worry about looking shiny after applying sunscreen. So here I am suggesting few of them, and all of that is having good textures that works best for the oily skin type. So first is Requil Ultimate Dry Touch Sunscreen. It is a silicone based sunscreen. Silicone based sunscreen are good for the oily skin as it provides the non-greasy and fast absorbing textures with the matte finish. It has little creamy consistency, but as the texture is velvety, it blends very well when applied to the skin, and it feels very smooth after the application. So it can be used as a base like a primer. So good for the makeup, under makeup use, as it does not leave any white cast. The second is Sunmade Sunscreen with SPF 30 and PA+3 rating. It is broad spectrum sunscreen. It is non-comedogenic, oil free and water resistant. It gives oil free matte look when you apply on the skin. It has powdery finish, so which makes it a perfect for a foundation base. And it has got antioxidant along with the UV protections to fight with the free radicals, which which give you the benefits of anti-aging also, and highly recommended for the daily use when you are supposed to stay indoors most of the time. I mean, you don't have the more sun exposure, because for that SPF 30 is enough. The third is La Shield Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel. Comes with SPF 50 and PA+3 rating. It is water resistant, non-comedogenic and broad spectrum sunscreen, which means it provides the protections from both UVA and UVB both. It is a 100% physical sunscreen. I mean, it has no chemical filters. It is free from any skin irritants and preservatives. So ideal for the skin which are acne prone, oily, even sensitive skin. And even if your skin is normal, you can try this if you love the matte finish. It is physical sunscreen. It may leave little bit of the white cast after the application, but once you blend it well, it will not visible after a few minutes. Being the physical sunscreen, it can be used on the children above the 6 months and even the pregnant woman also. So most of the mostly prescribed by the dermatologist. So next is Rivella Light. It is a kind of sunscreen, comes in both SPF 30 and 50 with the PA+4 rating. It is a combination sunscreen. I mean, combination of both physical and chemical sunscreen. It is a tinted sunscreen. I mean, it has got tint of our skin tone, and that is why it gives provide the good coverage to the dark spots and the blemishes. Another benefit of tinted sunscreen is that it does not leave any white cast after the application, and it has weightless, smooth kind of texture. So after applying this, you can skip applying foundation also. So it will give you the no makeup look. It's the best for that one, and you will find it at any medical store and available online also. The last is IPCA Acne UV Gel Sunscreen. It has got two variants with SPF 30 and 50 with the PA+3 rating. It is non-irritant, non-comedogenic sunscreen. Means it will not clog the pores after applying it, and it is mattifying sunscreen, so it will not feel greasy on the skin after the application. So good for the oily acne prone skin. It is also hybrid sunscreen, and it contains the filter of both chemical and physical. You will find it at any medical store and online also. So this was few sunscreen suggestions for the people who has got oily and acne prone skin. Now I want to make one thing clear, that this video is not for the promotions of any kind of product. It is only for the general information and awareness, and all the suggestions were from the personal experience, from the reviews I get from my patient and through the research work. And however, every skin is different, so it may happen that the product that works for one may not works for you, and so for that you have to put some effort to find the one that suits your skin type and that you enjoy applying it into your daily routine. And that only happens after some trial and error, and it's worth efforts, because as you know the importance of using sunscreen into your daily skincare routine, right? And if you don't know, watch my previous video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.